Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today in this video we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of like terms and unlike terms. So let us first learn about addition of like terms. If we have to add like terms, then we can simply add their numerical coefficient and the result will also be like term. For example, if we have to add 2x and 5x over here, only the numbers, that is 2 and 5 we have to add here. You can see here 2x plus 5x, only the numbers 2 plus 5 we get children 7, and the variable will always remain same, that is x. So what do you get your answer as 7x over here. Subtraction of like terms. If we have to subtract like terms, then we can simply subtract the numerical coefficients and the result will also be like term. Okay, here like terms only we are going to get here. For example, subtract 3p from 11p. From means the 11p minus 3p. As I told you, only subtract the coefficient, that is 11 minus 3. Here children we need to apply the rules of integers also. So plus minus the numbers, that we get 8 and sign of greater number 11. That means 8 only, and p remains the same here. So my answer here will be 8p over here. Now addition of unlike terms children, very easy, nothing you have to do, only you have to put the sign of plus between all the unlike terms. You can see here we have to add 9y, 2x and 3y. You can see none of the variables are same, that means it is unlike. Only we can do here is to put the sign between them, that is addition, 9y plus 2x plus 3. That's it, your answer is done. Okay, same thing we have to do it for the subtraction of unlike terms. Only we can do here is to put the minus sign between the unlike terms. Suppose we are asked to subtract 9y from 21. So 21 minus 9y. Nothing else to be done here. Okay, so let us use this concept here in the next exercise 12.1. Question number 1 over here. Simplify combining like terms. So we have to combine the like terms and we have to simplify it. First one, 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Now children, whenever you get a question, your first focus should be there on finding the like terms, the same variables. Okay, 21b, 7b and minus 20b here are the like terms here. So rearranging the like terms we get here 21b plus 7b minus 20b, and what is left out minus 32, you can put it at last. Now what we have to do here too we have to use the rules of plus and minus. 21 plus 7 you get 28. 28b minus 20b. What do you get children here? 8b. Why? Because 20 only, as I told you, like terms whenever we have, only we have to add or subtract the coefficient. 28 minus 20 you get 8 and the variable remains same. 8b and minus 32 as it is. So what do you get finally your answer? 8b minus 32 over here. Next one. 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Now after you get your question, first combine or take together all the like terms and list out together. So that is easy for you to simplify. So you can see I have listed out here 5x square y plus 3x square y. Okay, then another 2 you have here is 8xy square, then 5x square and plus x square, then you have minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square. Okay, now simplify the like terms here. Here we have to add. So 5 plus 3, 8x square y. You do not have any other term to add or subtract with it. So put as it is, that is 8xy square. Then next you have minus 5x square plus x square. Minus 5, as there is no coefficient here, minus 5x square plus x square if you have, we take it here as 1. So minus 5 plus 1 you get minus 4x square, what you have got over here. And last 3, here again you do not have coefficient, take it as 1, 3, as all the 3 terms have the same negative sign, we have to just add the numerical coefficient. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So you get here as minus 7y square. Next, 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus into the bracket. Here 2 brackets are separated and you had one operation to do, that is subtraction here. 8y minus y square minus 4. Now first thing, open the bracket. But one thing to be taken care here, whenever you have a negative sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket after the sign, here it will be opposite. If you have minus, it becomes plus. If it is plus, it becomes minus. So you can see here 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y. Here minus minus becomes plus y square. Again minus minus becomes plus 4. Okay, you can see that has been done. Now, after you open the bracket, now take together all the like terms. Okay, 3y square plus y square, 5y minus 8y minus 4 plus 4. Okay, here minus 4 and plus 4 becomes 0. Whenever you have the same numbers, always it can be even the constant number, or you have the any other term with the variable also, same coefficient, same variable, same powers, but the negative sign. For example, you take it here minus 2x square and plus 2x square. In such a condition, this 2 becomes equal to 0, because minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So directly, there is no need for you to solve so long. You can directly put it as cut and put it as 0 here. Now only left out here is 3y square plus y square, that is 4y square, 5y minus 8y. So plus 5 minus 8 gives me minus 3y, which is our required expression over here. Question number 2. We have to add the given terms here. 3mn plus, into bracket you can see minus 5m, because it is told us to add. So we have to put the addition sign and the term with the negative sign put in the bracket. Plus 8mn plus minus 4mn. Now children, as I told you, open the bracket. Here as you have addition sign outside the bracket, it will not affect any of the sign inside the bracket. Only you have to change the sign opposite when you have a negative sign outside the bracket. So this will remain as it is. So it will be 3mn minus 5mn plus 8mn minus 4mn. All the variables here are same, that is mn. So only calculate the coefficient. 3 minus 5 plus 8 and minus 4. So when you simplify children, you will get your answer here as 2mn. Next one here. You have to add. So all the here binomials are given. So let us join them with the addition sign. T minus 8tz plus 3tz minus z plus z minus t. Okay, you can see I have combined all the terms here with addition. Now my next step will be to combine the like terms. You can see t minus t, okay, I have combined here, minus 8tz and plus 3tz minus z plus z. Here minus z plus z becomes 0, t and minus t2 becomes here 0. Now what is left out? Minus 8tz and 3tz. When you simplify, you are going to get your answer here is as minus 5tz. Next, 5m minus 7n plus 3n minus 4m plus 2 plus 2m minus 3m minus 5. I have combined all the three terms with the addition because it is told to us in the question. Now, combine all the like terms, and when you simplify, you will get your answer here as 3m minus 4n minus 3mn minus 3. Next, 4x square y minus, here children, suppose it is to be added 4x square y plus minus 3x, okay, 4x square y plus into bracket minus 3x y square plus minus 5x y square plus 5x square y. This is the first step. Now, as I told you, whenever you have addition sign here, the sign inside the bracket will not change. So, you can see the next step we have here is 4x square y minus 3xy square minus 5xy square and plus 5x square y. Now, I have arranged the like terms here. You can see if I want to arrange, you can arrange here, that is this 2 here are the like terms, whereas these 2 are like terms. So, 4x square y and 5x square y gives me 9x square y, whereas minus 5xy square and minus 3xy square gives me minus 8xy square as the answer over here. Question 3, subtract. Now, we have to subtract here minus 5y square from y square. So, you can see here y square minus, because children it is told to us in the question this minus sign has to be put, and this minus sign is already given to you as the term. So, many times you all do it, y square minus 5y square, finished. No, this is wrong. This is given to you the sign in the question, and this subtraction sign you have to follow from the question. So, you have here two signs together using the rules of integer, minus minus becomes plus, y square plus 5y square, which will be equal to 6y square. Next, a minus b from a plus b. So, you have to subtract a plus b minus a minus b. Now, as there is negative sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will be opposite. So, a plus b minus a, minus minus becomes plus here. So, minus a and plus a becomes 0. Here b plus b will be equal to 2b over here. Okay, so that what is the left out? 2b is our answer here. Next, minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. You can see children, I have already put the minus sign and the two terms we have operated here. As there is minus sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket is going to be opposite. So, here you can see minus minus becomes plus, again minus plus becomes here minus. Now, finally we have 4m square minus 3mn plus 8 plus m square minus 5mn. Now, list out all the like terms together. You can see I have listed here and simplify. When you simplify, you get 5m square minus 8mn and 8 as your answer here. Next one, 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Children, now as we have to subtract, put both the terms along with the subtraction sign to be simplified. So, whenever, as I told you, minus sign is outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket becomes opposite. So, here it will become plus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. So, finally, we reach this step here. Now what we have to do here, combine the like terms together. That is 3ab plus 7ab. 3ab plus 7ab minus 2a square and minus 5a square and minus 2b square and minus 5b square here. Now 3 and 7, that gives you 10ab, minus 2 minus 5 gives you minus 7a square, and minus 2 and minus 5 again gives me minus 7b square. Okay, so this is the way to solve here. One more, 5pq minus 5q square minus 3p square from 5p square plus 3q square minus pq here. Now, as we have to subtract the given two expression here, I have done the subtraction of it, and as I told you, the sign inside the bracket will be changed. So, minus minus becomes plus, again minus minus becomes plus. So, after changing the sign, collect the like terms here. How to collect the like terms? 5p square and 3p square. Next you have 3q square and 5q square minus pq and minus 4pq over here. Now, just simplify. 5 plus 3, 8p square, plus 3 and plus 5 plus 8q square, and here there is no numerical coefficient, we take it as 1. So, minus 1 minus 4 gives us minus 5pq as our answer over here. Now, question number 4. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Now, if it is asked what should be added to this so that we get here, what we have to do, simply subtract the both. That is from the result. This is going to be our result. So, from this you subtract the given one, that is 2x square plus 3xy minus x square plus xy plus y square. As there is minus sign outside the bracket, this 2 sign will be changing opposite. You can see here both change to negative. Now, combine the like terms as it is given here. We have collected, that means 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 gives x square, or you can write 1x square. Similarly, plus 3 and minus 1 gives you here plus 2xy, and y square there is nothing to simplify, keep as it is. So, finally you get x square plus 2xy minus y square. Similarly, one more you have, what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. So, as we have to subtract from this, children, we cannot take this at the back. In this we had taken it back and the result we had taken front. But as this is subtraction, we will take 2a plus 8b plus 10, we have to subtract minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Now, when you simplify the sign inside the bracket here, that is minus minus becomes 3 plus 3a, here plus becomes minus 7b, and plus 16 will be minus 16 over here. Now, collecting the like terms here, you can see the like terms are collected, and when you simplify, you are going to get your answer here as 5a plus b minus 6 over here. Now, question number 5. What should be taken from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain this given expression here? Now, we do not know that what we have to take it from this. So, that particular expression we have assumed here as a. So, you can see this given expression 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus a is equal to this, because this is our given result. Now, when we take here minus a on another side and this given expression on another side, the sign of the given expression may change here. And when you simplify here, finally you are going to get your answer here as 4x square minus 3y square minus xy as your answer. So, as the sign will change by taking on the another side. Children, we have learned the equation, so same concept to be applied here. Now, question number 6. From the sum of this and this, subtract the given expression given to us in the question. So, what I have to do? I have to add this 2, and what I get the result, from that I have to subtract this given expression here. So, 3x minus y plus 11 plus minus y minus 11. As there is addition sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will not be affected. So, as it is, 3x minus y plus 11 plus minus becomes minus, minus y and minus 11. This plus 11 minus 11 becomes 0. So, what is left out? Here 3x minus y is, we get it here as 3x minus 2y. Now, this is the sum of the two expression. Now, using this, we have to subtract this from the sum of the first two. So, you can see 3x minus 2y minus 3x minus y minus 11 here. So, here as there is negative sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the brackets will change. So, 3x minus 2y minus 3x plus y plus 11 here. Now, after we collect the like terms and simplify them, we will get our answer here as minus y plus 11 over here. So, with this children, we end this exercise over here. Hope you understood the addition and subtraction of like and unlike terms, and I will see you now in the next video. Bye bye.